Welcome to today's episode, where we're diving into something that affects thousands of people right here in Jacksonville, Florida. If you've been dealing with chronic pain, whether it's in your back, neck, or joints, you've probably considered seeing a chiropractor. But here's the thing, not all chiropractors are created equal, and choosing the right one can make the difference between finding real relief and wasting your time and money. I'm speaking from experience here, having worked closely with healthcare professionals throughout Jacksonville for years, and I can tell you that the quality of chiropractic care varies dramatically across our city. So today, we're going to walk through exactly what you need to know to find a chiropractor who can actually help you get your life back. Let's start with the most important question you should be asking yourself. What exactly is your problem? Now, I know that sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people walk into a chiropractic office saying they have back pain when what they really have is sciatica, a herniated disc, or muscle tension from stress. The best chiropractors in Jacksonville will spend significant time during your first visit understanding not just where you hurt, but when the pain started, what makes it better or worse, and how it's impacting your daily life. Think about this. If you went to a mechanic and just said, "My car makes noise," they'd need a lot more information to help you, right? Your spine and nervous system are infinitely more complex than any car engine, so finding a chiropractor who takes the time to really understand your specific situation is crucial. Now, let's talk about credentials and experience. In Florida, all chiropractors must be licensed, but that's just the bare minimum. What you want to look for is additional training and specializations. Some chiropractors focus on sports injuries, others specialize in prenatal care, and still others have advanced training in techniques like spinal decompression or soft tissue therapies. Here's what's interesting. Jacksonville has several chiropractors who've earned board certifications in specialties like orthopedics or neurology. These additional certifications require hundreds of extra hours of training and rigorous testing. When you're dealing with complex pain issues, having someone with that level of expertise can be a game changer. But credentials are only part of the story. Let's move on to treatment philosophy, because this is where you'll really see differences between practices. Some chiropractors believe in quick adjustments and getting you out the door. Others take a more comprehensive approach, incorporating soft tissue work, rehabilitation exercises, and lifestyle counseling into their treatment plans. Consider this. If someone promises to fix your chronic back pain in 1 or 2 visits, that's a red flag. Real healing takes time, and the best chiropractors in Jacksonville will be upfront about realistic timelines for improvement. They'll also explain their treatment approach clearly and help you understand what to expect at each stage of your care. What's also crucial is finding someone who knows when chiropractic care isn't the right answer. Excellent chiropractors maintain relationships with other healthcare providers, orthopedic surgeons, physical therapists, pain management specialists, and they're not afraid to refer you elsewhere if that's what you need. Now, let's discuss the practical side of things. Location and scheduling matter more than you might think. If your chiropractor's office is across town and they only have appointments during your work hours, you're less likely to stick with your treatment plan. Jacksonville traffic can be brutal, so finding quality care that's convenient to your home or workplace is actually an important factor in your success. Here's another key point. Pay attention to how the office operates. When you call, are you treated professionally? Do they return calls promptly? Is the office clean and well organized? These might seem like small details, but they often reflect the overall quality of care you'll receive. Insurance coverage is obviously important too. Most major insurance plans in Florida cover chiropractic care, but there can be significant differences in copays and coverage limits. The best practices will verify your benefits up front and explain any out-of-pocket costs clearly before you begin treatment. Let me share something that many people don't consider: the importance of communication style. You want a chiropractor who explains things in terms you can understand, who listens to your concerns, and who involves you in treatment decisions. If someone talks down to you or dismisses your questions, keep looking. Technology and treatment options are evolving rapidly in chiropractic care. Some Jacksonville practices now offer advanced diagnostic tools like digital x rays or computerized spinal analysis. Others incorporate newer treatment methods like cold laser therapy or spinal decompression. While flashy equipment isn't everything, having access to modern treatment options can be beneficial for certain conditions. Here's my final piece of advice: trust your instincts. After your consultation and first treatment, you should feel heard, understood, and optimistic about your treatment plan. If something feels off, don't ignore that feeling. So here's what I want you to do next. If you're dealing with pain that's affecting your quality of life, don't wait any longer to seek help. Start by asking friends, family, or your primary care doctor for recommendations. Research potential chiropractors online and read patient reviews, but remember that every case is different. Most importantly, schedule consultations with 2 or 3 practices that seem like good fits. Most chiropractors offer free consultations or will discuss your case over the phone before scheduling an appointment. Your health is too important to leave to chance, and the right chiropractic care can truly transform your life. Take the time to choose wisely, and you'll be amazed at what's possible when you find the right partner in your healing journey.